Good morning, friends who have joined physically and virtually. So it is proud moment for us to start the event physically after a gap of 18 months. So again, a warm welcome to the Channel Transformation Summit of 20th War India StarNet Award, which is brought to you by Ingram Micro and Microsoft Corporation of India. Technology is changing at the speed of light, and the pace of demand for new and advanced skills is equivalent to it. Respected OEMs, those who are watching online, partners, guests, head of various IT associations, they are going to join us in the whole day session. Distinguished speakers, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you for the live channel empowerment session today, which will start at 10:05 a.m., which are presenting our hybrid platform. Earlier, we used to meet under one roof, but now with the new normal, it has been possible for everyone to come under one hybrid platform, which is digitally and physically. I would say it is an opportunity for the OEMs to showcase their capabilities and strength to techno-diversity. Digital transformation should be focused on the holistic well-being of the organization and its extended ecosystem. Today, there are organizations all over the world who have already begun their digital transformation journey to increase agility and speed for the entire organization. About $1.97 trillion would be spent on technologies and services that enable digital transformation in 2022. This is an opportunity for the IT companies across the globe. Hence, improving customer experience has become a critical goal of digital transformation. Today, there are over 500 partners from across the country into the B2B segments who will be joining the event on this hybrid mode. Over 40 speakers are going to share their views and brainstorm in 10 different sessions, including tech talk, panel discussion, corporate views, and vision of channel leaders of the global companies which are going to participate in this annual StarNet Awards. The program aims to bring the voice of the channel community to benefit from the events, networking, and learning opportunities. I would say this is a true global event. Digitization is creating tremendous opportunities for economics across the globe. As a media house, our focus has been technology that is at the forefront of everything we do. At the same time, remote and distributed workforces are here to stay due to mutual benefits to both business and talent. The world of work has forever changed. The global pandemic accelerated the desire to work from anywhere, and it lit a fire for employers to embrace a truly distributed workforce. Flexibility and mobility are now must-haves for workers fresh out of school or in upper management, and lead to greater productivity and long-term talent retention. The increase in remote and distributed work drove unprecedented demand in each tech sector, and organizations feel optimistic about expansion. It is a win and win, and I personally take this as an opportunity for everyone watching today's event. Partners can unlock the latest in productivity, security, infrastructure, and development through interactive experiences, and we have wonderful 3D interactive booth, physical and virtual, to explore new hands-on experiences that will help you to innovate in areas such as security, cloud, and hybrid infrastructure. I welcome you all to witness the most exciting session to start at 10 a.m., and it is supported by technology giant Microsoft and Ingram Micro. Thank you so very much for your patience.